Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Collins Emudia Foundation received Comrade Sterling Osaze Osakonokwodi for his office today. So make I leave you with the video, make you for hear their discussion.
Video has started.
Your cap. The work where the Muslim they try. We don't to say come and vote.
Please turn the camera towards me. I'm not seeing this. That's fine. If you can come closer, please. If you can come closer. Can you put the camera down? Good afternoon, my people. I'm trying to set up the stuff. That's fine. It's a good afternoon from Collins Emudia Foundation to all of you. I'm getting all your messages already. Good afternoon. Yeah, beautiful people, I'm seeing your messages. It's fun to always come out and be with you. I would say, I think I should say happy weekend because the week is about ending. Yeah, happy weekend to all of you across the world. Great people. I'm proud to be associated with all of you again today. Yeah, I'm seeing Rita Johnson. Good afternoon. I'm fine, Rita Johnson. Favor. Good afternoon. Special afternoon to all of you anyways. Pecky Beans. Good afternoon. Yeah, Ade John, Afan Agama. So, but that's just but a few. Yeah, so I want to first and foremost say a very big thank you to all of you across the world who joined hands with us yesterday to support that guy with the kidney failure. It is only but just that I say a very big thank you to you for what you guys did yesterday. There were some of you that didn't wear it with us live. And then I started getting calls after then. Yeah, bro, I saw this, take this 10,000. I saw this, take this. God bless you all. We need a long, we have a long way to go. So we are still appealing for more for the boy. We have to save his life. This morning he called me already. He said, bros, give me 100,000. I said, why? He said, I want to go for dialysis tomorrow. And I don't get money. Get some tests where I go do. They say because in kidney don't fail, that is affecting some other part of the organs of his body. You know, so but that he wants to also have money for dialysis, which he does every 4 days. And I said, wow. And I said, but why to gather this money and see what we can achieve? But what use will it be gathering the money and he doesn't see it to use, he dies? God forbid. So we have to give him. We will still keep gathering more with the belief that God will be opening different doors to sustain him before God's helper will actually just come on, boom, I'll take charge of the 13 million naira kidney transplant fee. Yeah, so that's our prayer and that's our expectation. Please share this video. If you're just joining me, it's a normal thing we do here. We share videos. Yeah, please share this video. Yeah, so thank you, Happy Francis. I'm seeing your message. God bless you. So thank you all so much. Please share this video. Yes, share. And let's get to bring our guys all in. Yeah. Thank you, Richard Floyd. You just shared. Yeah, I just got a notification. Kelly JP, how far now? God bless you. So for all of us that promised yesterday, please remit so that when we are saying we have gotten this, we should know what we have gotten. Thank you all that have been crediting us saying. Thank you so much. For that boy, thank you. For those that are partnering with us to say, you say you are going money to feed people in Benin. Take this money. It is for the feeding of those people on Monday. God bless you. Collins Emudia Foundation is saying thank you. We will look out for people on Monday. We'll go and buy food. We'll go share. So be a partner to that for us. Yeah, God bless you. We'll share rice. We'll share tin tomatoes. We'll share beans. We'll have tin tomatoes. We want to do that on Monday. So if God touch your heart and then you want to be part of it, God bless you. Yeah. So please share the video. In the meantime, Guess who we have here? I've got some courtesy visitors. The leader, the coordinator, Edo Diaspora Connect for the re-election of our governor Godwin Nogegase Obaseki, the executive governor of Edo State. He is here with me in my office to pay a courtesy visit with his team members. Some do. So it's a good afternoon from us, and then from the leader, the
Coordinator General, Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide.
Yeah, this Comrade Stanley
Osakwenokwodi.
So we would allow him have a few words with us before the exit. So you're welcome, my brother, to my office.
Thank you very much. I'm very, very delighted. I'm happy. I am glad to find myself within the purview of your office. The beautiful part of it is that myself and the members of my team, we are on ground,
Okay.
planning towards our anticipated rally in Edo State. A pro-government rally anyway. And I think distinguished personalities like my brother, the CEO, Collins Emudia Foundation, should be invited, should be informed to be part of our rally. This is because of the fact that our goals, yearnings, and aspiration is to continue to work with people with good legacy and outstanding leadership quality. And of course, it is obvious that you possesses these qualities and trappings. I am not talking as Osakwenokwodi.
Okay.
I am talking as the Coordinator General, Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide. And it is on this note that I said myself and members of my team who are here on ground should pay you a solidarity visit. The truth of the matter is simple. We all have eyes. We see what goes on in our society. And we are aware of the level of transparency adopted by Collins Emudia Foundation. Your legacies and timely interventions from your supporters and yourself, it is glaring in all areas of Edo State. And I think the time for us to act is now. And this is an opportunity for me to send a clear message to Edo people worldwide. The elections that is on the way in Edo State today is an elections between light and darkness. But I know Collins Emudia as an individual, we always, as a foundation, we always maintain some level of neutrality. But I know that deep down in your heart, you have an overwhelming support for the governor of Edo State. And I know that you must certainly manage your statement, owing to the fact that majority of persons who are with you are of different political background. And as a foundation, it is your responsibility to put their feelings, yearnings, and aspiration into consideration when taking decisions. On our part, as members, coordinators, and leaders of the Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, our goal is obvious. We have different people, different political groups under the tutelage of our organization. But because of the fact that we all have a specific objective, which is ensuring that Governor Godwin Obaseki returns as governor. That is our primary project for now. After the elections, subsequent projects can come into play, but Obaseki is our project. So, Mr. Collins Imudia, on behalf of members of my group and organization, we say a very big thank you. And we anticipate your overwhelming support for His Excellency, most respected Governor Godwin Enoregase Obaseki, the executive governor of Edo State. You know why I was happy when I came here? No. You adhere strictly to the official paraphernalia of every codified society. You have the picture of His Excellency, the President Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, General Muhammadu Buhari. According to Punch newspaper, General Muhammadu Buhari. You have His Excellencies, the Executive Governor of Edo State, the Mr. Project, the Wake and See Governor, the Otokinadu, the noiseless performer, His Excellency, Governor Godwin Enoregase Obaseki. I cannot sit to say this. His Royal Majesty Obaiwari Ugwa Olopolo Obaiwari II, our father, our leader, our director, our all in all. In fact, He is a God on earth, but not the Most High God. Those of us who happens to be Benin's, we owe Him undisputed and 100% loyalty. Oba Atokberi. Oba Atokberi. So we are glad today, Mr. Collins. Our advice as a group is to admonish you to continue to work on the existing pedestal that you have created, because the time is coming. The world will ask us, Comrade Osakweno, Comrade Collins Imudia, Comrade Godwin Edokmaye, Comrade Community, and my own respected, most respected antagonist political friend, Mr. Aliyu and all. What did you do while you were young? I think as of today, we are already leaving a lasting legacy. So, Mr. Collins, we are grateful to have ourselves, to find ourselves in your office, and we are glad to solidarize with you. Thank you.
Warm welcome once again to you, members and coordinator Edo Diaspora Connect, to my office. I must say your visit is a fruitful one on the base that everybody wants to associate with light. Knowing you right from time, this is not my first time of knowing you. You are like a brother. Yeah, I've never seen you partake in processes that leads to aberration. I see you as an upright person. I can remember vividly during your polytechnic days where you were part of the SUGs, or what they call them. You, at the point in time, I can still remember if you were one time an SUG president, if I can't even remember. You know, so that goes to say you always fight for what belongs to the common man. And your support for the governor now, I know it is because of the common man. You are keen with the fact that the governor of the day is meeting to expectation as far as the Edo people are concerned.
Absolutely.
And that's why you and well-meaning Nigerians across the world are making his re-election a project. Now you are here, you seek my support. Trust me, I won't say no to your request, because yeah, the governor is the governor of the day and the government of the day. And to a large extent, if you ask my assessment, people look at governance, or people look at good governance from the aspect of, some people look at it from the aspect of he do road, so he's a good governor. Some people look at governance from he build market, so he's a governor, a good one. Some other people get to say he do well because of their quest for stomach infrastructure. You understand? So, but some of us, we want to say he's doing well because there are some things that used to happen before that don't happen again, which have brought peace to Edo State. In terms of vehicular movement in crowded places, take for instance Ring Road, for instance. Yeah, those days you cannot park in Ring Road, but there are certain parastatals now who he set up, and then they decide to say, if you want to park, don't park here, but park there. Now there is free flow. But some people don't think that is good governance. Everybody thinks he must do road to my village before they say he has done well. I take the Gelegele Seaport, for instance, to be a point at which I'm rating my support now. You know, I have not spoken all the while because I think I should hold something to campaign for. Yeah, but judging from another aspect, I see the Gelegele Seaport, you understand, as an avenue where people in diaspora, for instance now, they don't need to send their cars from abroad and then send somebody money here to say, go and make a record for Lagos and clear Akori Benin. No. If Gelegele Seaport now start working, so our diasporas can, from the comfort of their countries, send their bail and cars and everything, and it will be it will be here in Gelegele. So your family can just go and clear it and come back. No harassment. So I think that's a plus, you know. So but I'm also admonishing the governor to make sure that project sees the light of day. But in all of that, I appreciate your comment, and I'll tell you, I'll give you my support because the governor, to an extent, has done well with all this my analysis. He's done well. You understand? A man cannot just be everywhere. The government cannot do it all. That's why some of us you see now as foundation owners came out. We came out to support the governor's work, the government of the day's job. You understand? So that we can actually see how we can reduce the rate of poverty. We are sharing food now, yeah, and then we are getting support from our diasporas and our Edo people, yeah. But you people will not allow me to talk now. There are calls. Let's get to take calls. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, colleague.
Your name and where you are calling us from, ma?
I'm Mabel Edos.
Oh, Mabel Edos. God bless you, ma.
And I promised you yesterday that I will give you 10,000 for that boy.
Okay, ma.
I'll send it. I promised on Monday, but I send it today.
Okay, God bless you, ma. The 10,000 naira for that boy. God bless you. We are on live video now, ma. Please join us.
She's here.
Okay.
Alright, thanks. So, like I said, we rate good governance from different angles. Good governance might not just be road alone, might not be electricity alone. Let's look at other factors. There are some other parts where the governor did well, but nobody is seeing that part because it has not come to manifestation. Yeah, it has not gotten to where it will be managed by an individual for personal interest. Yeah, the governor is making sure anything that wants to happen in the state is monitored and carried out by the state.
You know me, Mr. Collins,
Yeah.
with due respect, you know that many persons have refused to agree to the truth. Some of them choose to be blind to the fact. Let me tell you my reasons. Governor Godwin Obaseki, apart from the likes of late Sam Ogbemudia, of blessed memory, the likes of Folonshaw, Ali, Ambrose, Governor Godwin Obaseki is the only governor across the 36 states of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, because there was a legacy mark that no single protest have been organized by organized labor or any other group in Edo State against this government. Some selfish politicians came out publicly to sponsor some elements to tarnish that particular image. Whereas pensioners are happy, different people are happy. Now today, go and check. This time is not time for EMAC. That was what the disposed national chairman of the All Progressive Congress taught us, Adam Tushumule. He said, this time is not EMAC, it is IMAC. You can travel now, it's not far. Go to Osioma Power Plant, it's there. 99% completed, which will standardize Edo power sector in some areas. At least to some extent, one good turn, they say, deserves another. That's one. And secondly, Edo people are known to be proud people. Edo people are known to be respectful, but not on the basis of foolishness. Yes, in Lagos State, in the western part of the country, people have the right whatsoever to lie down and say, Your Excellency. But here, we believe respect is reciprocal. If we, as Edo people, allow just few persons to decide our destiny, to some of us, it looks as if we are stupid, because we were part and parcel of those who fought the fight against godfatherism under the leadership of Adam Aliyu Oshomole. I never knew that Adam Aliyu Oshomole was an aspiring godfather. But as of today, he sat on the office of godfatherism. But for those of us who happen to be Edo people, we concluded by saying we are going to vehemently resist him. For those who watched me, I came out publicly to say, Oga, carry ticket, go. Oga, carry ticket, go. Anywhere progress day, Edo people day. Anywhere progress day, Obaseki day. So the reason why we are on this battle is because, one, Agua, Ewana Bok behind. Or Masewana, 1-2 person will just say, this is what we want in Edo State. The rest of us will say, hey. When we are above 18 years, when they told us those stories. And as at now, again, to change the narrative, we won't support that. So the truth of the matter is, this is not hatred, no enmity. In fact, I agree a campaign. Talk when you talk when you say your own, I will say my own. But the truth is, those persons who are in the other divide, we are all friends. But regardless of friendship, tell friends truth in not spoil friend. I for one, what do you know? I fought with the governor. I fought the governor of Edo State on passage. Myself, Adam Oshomole, and many others, we fought him. But we refused to, many of them have refused to agree that the only reason why we fought him is because of stomach infrastructure. I am not against stomach infrastructure. But let us not substitute the progress of Edo because of our personal stomach. That is the issue we are having with them. We know we are friends, but we cannot use friendliness to jeopardize the collective interest and destiny of Edo. That's why I'm concluding by saying, so many settings that is the truth, my brother Collins. Thank you very much for giving my indulgence.
Yeah, I appreciate you. For coming. You know, constant visitations like this would help us convey our mind to those in authority. Just like as I said, we had a boy here yesterday who had kidney problems. Yeah, and then what this boy needs about 13 point something million naira. The ordinary man cannot do that. But the truth is, the government we might not have access to the government directly. So we are happy that you came around today. It's an avenue for us to now tell you, use your good office as good people and supporters of the governor for continuity. Please use your good office to try and reach those in power for us. Let's bring that boy's case to table so that if that is being solved, there are some people out there who might not actually like the governor now. If by chance they know that we brought somebody here that had kidney failure, if by chance they see that we come back to say, do you know that boy of yesterday, the government has taken over his case, as we speak they are treating him already, and we go to that hospital for 1 or 2, that person might just change and say this man is really good. Yes. So please, we are saying help us assist, because we as a foundation, what we do is to render help to the common man. Yes. So we are bringing this to your notice, so that you can at least help us in a little way you can.
Without due respect to my brother Mr. Collins, you've spoken well. The truth is, to some of us we are volunteers. I do not care to have any link with the government. For as long as me, I want now, we will not allow these people to act the way they are acting. That is why we're standing here to say no. In fact, I'm still going to say this again. When it comes to political issue, I have personal differences with the government. But I just now what you said, to be sincere with you, I think we are going to explore informal channels in addressing these particular problems. Thank God today, in fact, I have been saying it, I'm going to repeat it. Those in diasporas love those states more than those of us who stay here. You see the way our brothers and sisters in diaspora respond instantly to issues that affect us. In fact, I am glad. And the reason why you are not seeing me today like a government representative is because I have been mandated by diasporans. It's not as if I enjoy government relationship, no. But man with majority can be proud to say, yes, I am part and parcel of the majority. So Mr. Collins in India, let me not make a statement that will be synonymous to promise that I cannot keep. I think we'll explore informal channels to see how we can be able to reach out to the governor. And I know His Excellency, Governor Godwin Obaseki, we act promptly to address this particular problem if and only if we can have the direct access to him for now. In fact, to be sincere with you, I don't care about having access to the government. I don't care. I don't care about having access to the government. No. What I care about is Godfatherism cannot prevail in Edo, and we're going to fight it to the end. Thank you very much. This is Mr. Collins Imudia.
Yes.
You are a great man.
I appreciate
and may God continue to bless you. May God continue to skyrocket your thinking ability.
Amen.
May God continue to give you the ability to continue to address the problem of Edo people within your capacity.
Yeah.
As an Oliver Twist, our people will certainly ask for more. You cannot kill yourself, and your donors cannot kill themselves.
Yeah, sure.
They will do their possible best, what they can do to address our problems collectively. And I know that we have already created a synergy, and we're going to work in line with that synergy. Once again, a big congratulations. I'm happy to be in the office today. I am demanding for a public bottled water. Public bottled water.
That's fine.
Somebody should give me bottled water.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, so in the meantime, it was really a beautiful and worthwhile visit from the coordinator Edo Diasporas Connect and his team members to Collins Imudia Foundation office today. Please, can you get Amenoko for this brother of ours? Yeah, bottle water, please. So, like I said, we appreciate their coming. Now we're using this medium to say, government, please look out for that boy with kidney failure. We will explore all means within our reach, informally, to get to the government.
Thank you very much, Mr. Collins. I've gotten the water. Thank you.
That's fine.
Water is life.
There's more from where that came, so, but like I said, we will explore all means, to get informal support, to be sure that that boy's case wasn't swept under the carpet. It's a general stuff. It's something that have to do with all of us. It's a collective effort. We have to save the life of that boy. He was here yesterday, and then he called me this morning and said, please send me 100,000, sir. And I said I will send him 100,000 just now, so that he will go for his dialysis tomorrow and buy some other drugs. Yeah. So please we are admonishing members of the public. Please keep your support coming in for that boy. Yeah. And then let's hope God willing we will get to the government of the day. And then I know the governor would want to assist us for that boy. Yeah, for that boy. Okay. And then for me, yeah, for me, I want to thank all my supporters who are sending us support for the Monday sharing. On Monday we are going for food sharing. We are trying to put resources together, so we want to share food in areas within Benin. Yeah, for the common man, we don't know the area we are going to yet. We just know we will buy food and take out, and then just like our normal routine, we will share it for the people. One rubber of rice, something tomatoes in it to one person. One rubber of beans, tomatoes in it to one person. So be a part of that process. Yeah, please be a part of that process. For all of you who sent it to us already, God bless you. For those that have not heard before, you are hearing for the first time, please be a part of this. Yeah, we do it once a month. Collins Emudia Foundation does it once a month, okay? And then we will do it again next month. But if by chance somebody calls me, Collins, I want you to go and share food in my area, we do that one without programming. Within the week, anybody can just call me, Collins, I beg, go my area for New Benin, I beg, go help me share food, I'll send you the money, buy the food, time, I'm going to go share for my area. We do that, okay? We do that every time. Check our videos in the past. You see us going from street to street, sharing. So long as it has to do with the common man, yeah, we will do that, okay? We will do. We don't care their tribe. We don't care their ethnicity. We don't want to know their background. We just give them and leave them. Because in Edo State, you have various tribes. You have various ethnic groups. So we cannot be looking at them for assistance. Yeah? And I'm glad that my brother here is still with me. Outside politics, he's my brother. Okay? So people should not think he is politically imbibed with me. He is a brother, and I am proud to be associated with him because I've seen him as an upright man who knows what to do, when to do, and how to do. Okay.
Thank you for reposing confidence on me.
No.
You can look at our face where we not resemble.
I owe it to you. I owe it to you. You know, so please, if you don't subscribe to his political assertion, it's not a big deal.
This is purely directed to my brother and his we are already know that you are addressing.
Yeah, so please.
I saw his comment.
Yeah, please.
Must he politicize everything?
No, this is not about Omorege anything. I've got some of my supporters who don't believe in Obaseki, okay? And I have some supporters who believe so much about Obaseki. The truth is, we'll keep educating ourselves. There are some people that don't know what the government is doing. Are you aware?
Yes.
There are some people in diaspora.
Yes.
As far as they are concerned, Obaseki never turn one road. That's their belief.
We will be back on. We are going to show this.
So there's this awareness that needs to be done.
Yes.
There's this exposure that needs to be done. Because you see some people will tell me what Obaseki don't do. You just brought the Shoma power plant now. Some people might not have known before, but you are exposing it now. This is a platform. Some people come to Collins Emudia Foundation to watch. Some go to your platform to watch.
Yes.
Here now it's like a collective effort. A combination of two different platforms.
Yes.
Where people who have not heard before are hearing directly from you. All they need to even see now is proof. So please, you show to our people in diaspora. Please add proof. If it's pictures, no problem. If it's videos, no problem. So that they get to see with their eyes.
Absolutely.
Seeing, they say.
He's believing.
You understand? And I appreciate all your fights because I can hear you say you are supporting the government because of the interest of the Edo people. Oh yeah. I have seen a woman. Okay, and then if you are supporting the government with your proof, and then diasporas are solidly behind you. I work mainly with diasporas, and my diasporas have some who are for Obaseki. and some who are for POI. But I will not politicize my foundation. Do you understand?
Yes.
I am only giving credit to Obaseki as regards certain things I have seen. That Gelegele seaport per se. Because I know what it means now is, if I have a sister in diaspora that can send me a car, but she's thinking of the cost of bringing it from Lagos and all.
Gelegele will just be an asset.
Gelegele will just be for me to drive down and pick it up. That's an asset. There is no governor that have come to Edo State that have not done well. Just have that at the back of your mind. No governor didn't do well. Oshomole came, made Benin good. Samuel Gbamudia came, made Benin good. And Bruce Ali came, gave free education. Obaseki have come, he's also done well. It is wrong for somebody to say he never do anything. There's no governor that can just sit there. I can remember vividly those days. I think it was the era of Adams Oshomole. Adams Oshomole turned Edo State to Little Mecca. He did road up to his farm, many farms in Auchi. He's a great man. But do you know during that same period, pensioners were queuing up, some were fencing just to get their money.
Dying.
Just to get their money. But do you know today, we don't have record of that again. Do you know why? Because they are getting their alert in the comfort of their homes.
Yes.
Nobody wants to see that as a project. Do you understand? That's a project, a plus for a government. So there are too many things you need to make our people know, so that they will know what the governor is doing.
Absolutely, you are very right, brother. On our part, we have already planned towards moving across the territorial district of Edo State to showcase the project of Obaseki. This ably sponsored by Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide. Certainly not from the government. The beautiful part of it is that, I want to tell you the simple truth. The beautiful part of it is that we do not care about having connect with the government. What we are doing as Edo Diaspora Connect is purely self-organizational funded. So I'm proud to be associated with my members. We are glad and thank God today you have been able to. I stated it and totally clear that there is no way you can politicize the foundation of because there are different people supporting you from different political backgrounds.
I cannot actually.
Good, but in your own heart and mind, you have a right as Collins Imudia.
I must vote for somebody.
Not Collins Imudia's foundation. As Collins Imudia to support. That is what I came to solicit for.
Okay.
And I thank you for giving me your word. I know at the end of the day, the results have to be efficacious. I think it's time for us to go for item 7, which is purely outside the camera. Thank you.
Yeah. On that note, I think I would send my secretary to take you guys to the canteen so they can make lunch available for you guys as a welcome.
We are going to take the lunch together. You will be part of the lunch as well.
Yeah, okay, but thank God it's going to be off camera. So
thank you. So we have to make it clear.
It's a good one. Because having lunch with such personalities ought not to be on camera. So you are doing I don't care.
You made it in any man.
So once again, my brother, I appreciate your coming. I appreciate your coming so very much. It means a lot to me. It means a lot. So please, my people out there, please let's not fight over these political issues. I kept saying it. Yeah, let's not fight. Okay, let's not fight. We just want to vote, not fight. And I kept saying,
and that's the more reason why your guy here needs to smile.
No, that's fine. That's fine because I'm not making this a political setting. This is a foundation office. So please, on that note, my people, what I think we will do is to support whoever we are supporting from wherever we are supporting. Yeah, but we won't support any group for violence, all in the name of trying to support.
As for that boy, that
the kidney failure boy, yes.
I will support with 10,000.
Oh, God bless you. You know, so you see now that my distinguished brother, the coordinator for Edo Diaspora Connect, said he's supporting that boy with the kidney failure with 10,000 naira now as part of his support as a person.
Yes, as a person.
As a person.
Thank you.
And in my foundation, we have a philosophy. Nothing is too big. Nothing is too small. The thank you we will tell somebody who brought 5,000 to save that boy's life. It's the same thank you we will tell somebody who said take 50,000. So he just supported now with 10,000 naira. So God bless him so much, and we are praying and still admonishing that he uses his good office to reach whoever he can reach for us as a foundation. We want that boy's life to be sustained. So please, if you want to key into that boy's life sustainability, please contact us. Our account number is there. Yeah, please support us and let's get to save the life of that guy. Yeah. So we appreciate his kind gesture. Yeah, I'm getting comments from my sister Omotola Ofuri. For us here, nothing is too big and nothing is too small. Yeah, there are some people who didn't even support with them. So if we see 10,000 naira, it is big money. That money for that boy, if we put it together, it will help to take care of dialysis for another 4 days. So please and please, let's keep the support coming. Yeah, let's keep the support coming for the boy. And then if you want to be part of our food sharing process, please, we will encourage you. It's for Monday. By Monday, well, today is Friday. Between now and Monday, it will be there. Yeah, our account number is on the top of this. What's it called? This our live video today. You can check it to see our account number. My office number is also there, but it's open 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And from 5 p.m. we will switch off our office line because we are closed. And then we will come back the next day, 8 a.m. put it on. So if you've been trying to reach us after watching it on YouTube, on Facebook, and then maybe you saw it late, try to understand the timing difference. But you can always request on my phone number, my direct WhatsApp number. I can give it to members of the public so you can reach me. My direct WhatsApp number, if you have a pen, you can write it down now. You can reach me on 080-670-54942. I'll take that number again, 080-670-54942. Feel free to call me on WhatsApp after this live broadcast, and then we'll reach you. Yeah, I'm supposed to even take an outing. Please, there's somewhere I want you and I to go to right now. I think we should get the crew ready. You have to figure out to get ready. Come. So we just go out together. So be a part of this. We're moving. We're going somewhere right now. So let's go. Are we set, please?
Yes, we're set.
I'm going out.
Thank you.
No, I was driving. There's somewhere I want to visit. But I can have a one-on-one with you. Thank you for coming. Thank you, the coordinator, Edo Diaspora Connect.
Thank you very much, Mr. Collins Imudia.
I'm glad to have you here in my office. We are proud to be associated with anything that has to bring development in Edo State.
You are a great man.
Yeah, so we thank God for His mercy. And ladies and gentlemen, still on the live video, we are taking a walk. Be with us. We are going somewhere.
Now they go, Buka.
Come.
Where be the place?
Coco,
Yes.
Let's just go.
You know?
Hello? I will come your office.
Be with us and let's go. Shall we? Yeah, so members and leaders, let's unite together. Thank you, Mr. Joe Oge. Yeah, let's unite. I'll text them to you. I'll text them to you. Yeah, so okay, so but for we, let's join hands together to make it do a nice place. Thank you, Sandy babe, for dropping my WhatsApp number. Thank you, Justina, for dropping my WhatsApp number. Yeah, please let's move ahead together and let's do things as a foundation. Yeah, we're all moving together. Okay, so let's go. calm down. I'll call you. We'll drive together. You drive, follow me. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are going somewhere large Pulatin. You will see just shortly, less than 5 minutes. Just stick with us.
Sandra, don't go inside. Sandra, stay inside. Don't worry. Sandra, stay inside. Now your elder ain't be. Don't stay inside.
I beg, enter. Come, let's go.
Sandra, leave my maid.
Come, let's go. Sandra, leave her. Let's go. One live video. How are you, Kariba? Yeah. Good afternoon. Ebony, Carolina, good afternoon. So we're all moving together as a team. I think they are driving behind me, yeah? Okay. Let's all move. Less than 5 minutes. Well, they call CB seat, I appreciate. No, it's fine.
Stanley.
It's okay, bro. I'm on live video. Don't call it. Let's all drive together.
What did you guys do?
You know, so like I said, we don't just get support alone. We support those that support us. If you have anything you want to do, just let me know. We'll do it together, okay? Still at our office area. We would all drive to the place. In less than 5 minutes, we are there. They are driving behind me. So we won't give up on the quest. Please don't call me yet. If you're calling, you would obstruct the network. Please don't call me yet. Don't call me now. If I need you to call me, I will tell you. After the live broadcast, you can call me. You're calling the same network we're using. Rita Tamiri, thank you. God bless you. Wow, Airport Road. Let's quickly get to these parts. Very quickly, very shortly. So please share this video if you've not shared before. Please share it. And let's if you're calling me with a Nigerian number, please don't call me. Okay? Don't call me just yet, please. If I need you to call me, I will tell you. Yeah, nice weather we have here today. It's not raining. It's quite sunny. Special greetings to my brother Large Pulatin. Special greetings to my brother Desmond Orobosa. Special greetings to Sarabo Basso. Juliet Botchman, I'm fine, thank you. 5483, stop calling me. I'll block your number after this video. And behold, it's Ring Road. Behold, Ring Road, Benin City. My interest is to make life easy for the common man, the little way I can. So if I see how I can, you're in diaspora, you're having certain issues that you think you need to sort out, or you're having trust issues, I think we'll be there to give a headway A certain lady called me and told me I send money to them home for feeding, but they barely do, and it's like I'm overspending. And I said there's another way to go about it. This is Ring Road, ladies and gentlemen. I think this is the governor of Edo State. he's a governor there. Thank you, Destiny Nusa. Thank you so much. Edo Fest. Aside you. They go like say they don't want to stop. Yes, I still at Ring Road. Behold your beautiful city of Benin. Oliver. Please share the video. Thank you. Madam Gold, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Madam Gold. A great supporter of Collins Imudia Foundation. Mrs. Christy Balogun, aka Madam Gold. God bless you so much. Behold our royal father, His Royal Majesty the Oba of Benin, Oba Tokbe. We are headed towards Plymouth Road. Headed towards Plymouth Road. No, it won't be long. Madam Good, good afternoon. Thomas Agado, I'll react to that later. Please forget about it. I'll react to that later, yeah? Oscar Igbinovia, I'm very fine, thank you. Oscar Igbinovia, I'm very fine, thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I think we are here. No, I'm not going there. Peter Desmond, I'm not going there. Ah. I'm not going there. You want to see where I am? I am at Uyi Global Resources. Ladies and gentlemen, I am at Uyi Global Resources. Permit me to explain to you what they do here. Uyi Global Resources are into the sales of food items. Do you have people in Nigeria that you give money to and you are not sure they get the food items? It is very simple now. All you need to do, is to just discuss with Uyi Global Resources. Their phone number is there. Call this number, speak to them, tell them what you want to buy, and they'll discuss with you, and then they'll go and deliver the items to your family here in Benin City. They are into sales of tin tomatoes in vast, palm oils, I think in cartons and singles, groundnut oil too in 4 liters. They've got crayfish. Permit me to steal one. Yeah, they sell crayfish. They sell noodles. You see these crayfishes. But first and foremost, I will then meet with the lady who's in charge here. Good afternoon. How are you today? Good. We decided to come around again. We want to show to our people in diaspora, because some of them get to send money home. We say, take. We want to buy rice, buy beans, buy garri, buy this one. After 3 weeks, they say that finish. So they get to call and say that means they didn't buy what we say they should buy.
We have experienced it here. Some even ask us to advise what they say. Now instead of full bag of bread, they say no, bring half bag of bread. I'm like, no, this is what this person paid.
Okay. Beautiful. So tell us what you have here. Let's start from inside. Okay. You have bags of rice here.
Yes, we have bags of rice. These are all foreign rice.
Foreign rice.
Nigerian rice.
Nigerian rice. Is this the Nigerian foreign rice?
Yes, the Nigerian foreign rice.
Okay. So how much is your foreign rice? These ones, man.
This one here, this one is 30,000 naira a bag.
The last price.
That's the price.
Our
We don't miss it. Because if you go out there, you might get 29, 28, but it's missed. You find them missing 2 bags of foreign rice with 3 bags of Nigeria rice. And they'll miss it and rebag everything as well as they can be reducing price. But ours is the way they supply, that's the way we say. We don't reduce the bag, we don't reduce from, we don't take from it to rebag it. Okay. Just the way it is, that's the way we supply.
The Nigerian foreign rice, how much?
Foreign rice. This one is 24.
24.
Nigerian foreign rice, yes.
It's very clean.
Very clean. Let me open this one for you. This is the half of it.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening.
As you can see.
Okay, it's very clean.
Very clean.
It got no stones.
No stones, no
Okay,
shards.
yeah. This is like foreign rice, eh?
Just like foreign rice.
Okay. What you're telling us, and then what else you have? You have a Komu oil.
Yes. We have Komu oil.
How many do you have in a carton?
6. We have 6. We just remove one.
Can I see one?
Now.
How much is this one?
This 2,250.
How much do they sell this in the market?
25, 24.
25.
Yes.
24 for one.
Yes.
Okay, you now sell at factory price.
Yes. As the company's price.
This is what they sell in Okomu oil.
Yes.
That's the factory.
Yes.
Okay, that's the same price you used to sell for people here.
Yes, we just break it down to as in
Okay, anybody can buy a carton, you can buy one, you can buy 3.
half carton.
At 2,000.
250.
Okay, but in the market is how much?
2005.
Okay, that means it's cheaper buying from you.
Very, very cheap.
Okay, you have pepper, I can see.
Pepper
You sell with rubbers.
with rubbers, yes.
Okay.
Odbolo too, we sell with rubbers.
This rubber,
Not this rubber. The rubber, let me get it.
please do. So ladies and gentlemen, life made easy. All we need to do is just call these people, Uyi Global Resources. What's up? I want one rice, I want half bag of beans, I want obolo, I want egusi, I want crayfish, I want pepper. When you are done with them, just ask them, where's your address that I will go and deliver it. They will tell you. Maximum, you give them small money for transportation. They will just carry the food stuff here, get to your family house and say, your sister say make I come give you all these food items. She will then call you on WhatsApp call, video call. You will see her deliver the items to your family.
Yes.
Very affordable. No need to worry yourself. Let's continue.
Everything you pay for, that's what you get.
Okay.
This is the rubber for Odbolo.
How much is a rubber?
5,000 naira.
In the market, how much is it?
Sometimes you get 5,000 if you're able to get to those that sell their cost.
Okay, okay. And the pepper?
Pepper is 2.5. This Benin pepper, not
This is Benin pepper.
Yes.
And here do.
It's very,
Okay,
very
this is
hot.
the rubber you used to measure.
Yes.
And the rubber is how much?
2.5.
2.5 for pepper.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
This one that I love so much. I don't like coming to places this is a sacrifice because they'll just call me thief.
This
Yeah.
fish, just the way we tie it just now. The rubber is 35, but this rubber of it is 2,000 naira.
This rubber is 2,000. But when you tie it outside, is how much?
This rubber 35.
Okay, this is bigger than this.
Bigger than this one, yes. 35.
Okay. And you sell cartons of noodles too.
Yes.
You sell vegetable oil.
Yes. Is power oil.
Power oil, vegetable oil. How much is this one?
This one is 3-1.
3-1.
Yes.
Okay.
This 3-1. There's still other sides of power oil, yeah. This one is 2,000 naira.
In the market, how much you sell that one? Is it the same price?
It's almost the same price. 2,000 naira, 2,050 naira.
You sell milk too?
Milk, yeah. We have milk.
How much is your milk?
A tin of this milk is 1 3.
1 3.
Yes.
But if you go to the supermarket, is it not cheaper?
Supermarkets, you can't even get it at the rate of 1 3, probably 1 4. So this place is cheaper.
Collins Imudia Foundation will just buy one. I have bought 1 milk already, so you join. Their number, I will give you the number. Just so we show you the number to copy before we continue. Yeah, this is their number. Please quickly copy it. Call them directly. You don't need Collins Imudia to give you link. That's their number. They have 2 numbers. If that one not good, try this one. Okay. Yeah, the 2 numbers are also on WhatsApp. So they said. So please copy the numbers. Play this video again later and then copy the numbers. No, what do we have that we've not seen here? Okay.
Because we have them in stock over there.
This one is how much?
This one is 32.
This one is 32.
Yes,
It's still power oil.
This 5 King's oil.
King's vegetable oil.
Yes.
That one is power oil.
That's power oil.
That one is how many liters?
This one is it's not to 5 liters, 4.6.
4.6 liters. And this one is 5 liters.
5 liters.
And that one is how much?
31.
This one is.
32.
I prefer people go for King's because it's almost the same price and it's more than the other one.
And this no.
Okay, you sell mangi. Yes. What it means is that these people can just discuss with you, and everything about food items to get to their family will just be here.
Everything is here.
You just put them all together to tin tomatoes, so that it will say now only money for tea will concern. They sell milk here too. They sell Bonvita.
There's sugar too.
Along they sell sugar, but adults don't take much sugar. Yeah. But if you want to buy because of the other children, they sell here. Yeah, they sell here. That's fine. You don't sell beans.
We have beans. That's what I'm taking it to.
Okay.
Yes, sure.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, will be. If you can call them, and then they will tell you all they have. Okay. She's taking us to the next shop. That's their next shop, anyways. They have another shop very close by, where certain things that you didn't see there, you will see here. Okay. Some people they're asking me. Somebody's asking me, do you sell Gary? Say again.
We have Gary.
You have Gary?
Yes. This is a bag of Gary.
Okay, this is Gary. Ladies and gentlemen,
Bag of melon.
they have melon.
Beans.
You have beans. How much is your bag of beans?
24. 22, sorry, for the white beans. The brown beans and the local beans.
22. That's half will be 11,000.
Yes.
22,000.
Naira. Then this is local beans.
Oh, Doris Zion, very nice. You ordered from them last week. God bless you. And it was delivered. You see, somebody who actually patronized them last week after my first advert said she patronized them, and because she was satisfied, she came out to write now. Very nice one. I ordered them last week, and then they satisfied you. So they are trustworthy. They have oils in different sizes. Is it 25 liter red oil you want? You have red oil 25 liters.
Yes, we have red oil 25 liters. They are all stock.
Okay, and you have this one is how many liters? 10.
This one is vegetable oil, not red oil.
How many liters?
This 10 liters.
How much is it?
7,000 naira. It's last. That's the best price.
Okay.
And this is 25 liter.
That one is how much?
This one is 14,000. We can go for 13,800 last price.
Okay.
This is that same 5 liter that I showed you the other time. This is the carton.
Okay.
Stuff.
Okay, that's nice. So these are tiny beans.
Yes.
How much do you say this one is? Okay, Uloka.
Yes, Uloka beans.
This one should just be used for momo now.
Very sweet. This one is like sugar.
For momo.
Very nice when prepared.
Okay, that's
This one
nice.
is 24 back. For that one is 22. Then the rubber is.
You see the same 40 rubbers inside.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Oscar.
100
Oh, Oscar Gbinovia, thank you. What about Golden Mon and cornflakes?
over there.
Over there, they have. I saw it just now. They have everything. The question is, do you post to Europe
We do, but for now. we are
because
not
of the
doing that
coronavirus?
Because of the lockdown.
The plane does not move. Okay, so by the time this lockdown is removed, you do send abroad.
Yes, we send abroad.
Okay. I'll show the number again just now. To a large extent, you see they have all the direct to Komu oil here. Yeah, plenty. So you can order from them and it will come to you. They have everything you want. Yeah, feel free to patronize them. The beautiful part is that I just want you to know that you can sit there in the comfort of your homes across the world, and your family they'll go and give them food stuff. No need to come worry. You say, "Mama, no," or send us money to buy food. No, you don't already buy them.
Yeah.
They don't go deliver them. You are sorted them out for that month. After you look for small food of it, they buy recharge card for phone. Finish. But in terms of feeding, that chapter is closed.
They came to pick their items before they came down.
The family just came to pick their
Yes,
items.
they paid
Okay.
for it and they came to pick it.
Okay, they told their family your address to come and
Yes,
pick it up.
yes.
And then they came to pick it up.
Yes.
Okay, but you can conveniently go and deliver to any address.
Anywhere.
Okay. Well, you understand? So she's saying if you can pay for it, you can actually just send your family to come and pick it up from them. Yeah. And then or send these people here to go and deliver to your family without any noise. God bless you. Can you send to Dubai? Yes, if only the plane starts working. We are praying for lockdown to be eased. Once the lockdown is eased, they can send to you to any part of the world, so long as DHL can get there. It's fine. God bless you, Oscar Gbinovia. Please patronize them. You're asking of the numbers. Yeah, I'll show you the number. Before I go, tell me how much this one is, so let me pay for my milk before they will say I ran, I forgot. This is their number. Please save the number now. Please save this number. Write it down now. Fast, I beg, I want wrong. And then this one. She's asking how much for the delivery. It depends on where you are going to. See their number now. That's a mic. That's their number. The both numbers are on WhatsApp. Yeah. Any of the two numbers are on WhatsApp. They deliver to your doorstep. Uyi Global Resources. That's their number. So please reach them. And then they will make food easy for you. You know, they sell up to poundo yam. You see poundo yam, spaghetti, everything. You know, see fish, crayfish. You don't sell anything, but you sell. But you don't have it in stock. If I don't run, I will eat almost one rubber. So please patronize them. They are open. How much do you say your team milk is again? 1.3. Ladies and gentlemen, it's cheap and affordable. So please let's buy. Give me change. I just paid for my own, ladies and gentlemen. Before they will say Collins carry am free. It was not free. Oh. Show them. I buy 1.3. I bought my own. Yeah, so they have milk. They have Milo. You can buy this, add it to it. Go give it, go give a pound. Everything up to Indomie. Yeah, get all here. Yeah, see, Golden Mon, cornflakes. Yeah, they have everything. Just reach them. Semo, is it Semo you want to buy?
Yes.
They have it here. Spaghetti they have. Tin tomatoes they have. Yeah. Ogbolo. Give me my change quick. And then crayfish. I call it is enough one. 9 full years so. Ogbolo full year. They sell egusi too. See pepper. Yeah, everything. They sell everything. Even if to add sugar, they will. Nigerian foreign rice and normal foreign rice. So please share this video. Let's help a brother. Let's help a sister.
Somebody just bought half bag.
They're asking how much is a bag of rice. We've said it before.
Yeah.
Foreign rice. This one, how much?
1,000 naira.
30,000 for foreign rice.
Foreign 24.
Nigerian foreign 24,000. Yeah, so please patronize them. Everything they here, and they'll go and deliver it to your family. They'll go and deliver everything to your family. So the idea say they not get gin, you try to be gin again. So that's it. That's what they have. You saw their number. Yeah, my change before I forget. So I've been able to patronize them. Yeah, so please patronize them on your own too. I'll be leaving them now. Take care, dear. Yeah, so that's Uyi Global Service, just Uyi Global Resources. For one more time, this is the phone number. Patronize them. They'll go and deliver to every part of your home, so long as it's within Benin. Yes, and Nahida, she sends to Dubai too, but now planes are not moving, so they cannot come to Dubai now. When planes start moving, sure, we will they will start sending to you. Thank you all for patronizing them. You have received a call already. So yeah, so for me, yeah, their office is at number 5 Plymouth Road. See, this is Oba Palace. Immediately just finished Oba Palace at Plymouth Road. After Oba Palace, the next place is Uyi Global Resources. Yeah, Uyi Global Resources. That's the address there. Number 5 Plymouth Road. Number 5 Plymouth Road. Benin City, Edo State. See fence of Oba Palace. So if you stand for here, you're going to see Oba Palace. Now Oba Palace fence. Now they just been near. So they have everything. Take care, dearie. Bye. Yeah. So that's it from here. That's the only little way we can say thank you to all of you supporting us. We'll make life easier for you. Be comfortable at your home. Yeah. And then you can do the needful. Okay. You can do the needful. You can take care of your family from the comfort of your home. Just lying down on your bed, you can take care of their feeding without the stress of I want to go send money. Yeah, I want to go send money or I not send money. Yeah.
You don't do.
So I'm on live video.
You're on live video. Never put up for you.
So like I said, that's the position. That's the only way I can actually just appreciate you or make life easier for you. Yeah. Make life easier for you all. So from the comfort of your homes, wherever you are across the world, go and buy. Go and buy. And then make life easier for your people. Come. They're not waiting. You never know them.
Come, small, come.
You did it.
Yeah, come small.
You're not fit.
Don't do your hand like this. Now, like
I'm not just fit. May just go.
Yeah, that one don't stand for you.
I will.
You know, start. You never know them.
I just smell of wire.
No, not
No.
Okay.
Now that's store.
Go back to the fish.
Now that's store there.
So you are asking of the number. I showed you the number.
No, wait, no, pop.
What do you tell me? I sent the number to you.
We make it pop.
Okay, you are calling her already. That's nice. Call them.
Oh yeah, come.
They will deliver to you comfortably.
Come.
They've delivered to people. Some of my supporters have patronized them and they deliver to them comfortably. So everywhere good. Everywhere good. Yeah, they'll deliver to you comfortably. I tell you. It's not an issue. I trust them. So we'll please keep the stuff coming. And let's make it easier for you. No more send us money with the hungry. We not get food stuff. Go buy half bag of fries when I say buy one. After 2 weeks, I say food don't finish. Don't end. Comfortably. Not be food on it, no worry. Just call these people, they'll go deliver them for the house for them. With rice, beans, egusi, everything they need. Then you can send a small to buy vegetable, buy recharge card, okay? So that's it from my angle, my own way of saying this is my support to you all. Make life easier. I'm always moving around. When I say anything that will make life easier for my diaspora brothers and sisters across the world, I'll just quickly bring it to your notice. To make life easier for one person. It might not be everybody. It might not be everybody, but it could just be for one person. That's why we went out. So life made easy. If I get to see anywhere, they say 1 or 2 days, we'll go. If you want to buy land somewhere, let me know. I'll go video and we'll find out. If not confirm land. When you buy to they're going to follow you track after 2 weeks. No, we'll carry our lawyer for nobody go there. Oh, Akbar. Yeah. The other than you go and buy one land or on the BT collector, or pass that level. So life means easy. You can just call them. The number is there. Call them. OE Global Resources. Just call them. This with one bag of rice, 2 bags of beans, half bag of beans. You go see measure to rubber put. Do like say you dey market with them. Just do market with them. Now market you go so from France where you dey, America, Canada, Japan. You will fit come market. That it be. You will follow the price video call. How much be that? You go see. I put 2 cup, 1 rubber. How much be that crayfish? Not so. Life made easier. A girl called me. She was crying. Say, bros, 90,000 when they reach the feed person. 90,000. I say, how? A month. Say yes. What do you want to buy? You want to put a restaurant? He said, they say it's not rich. OE Global Resources wiped her tears. She didn't even spend up to that 90. And then she's comfortable now and happy. That's how it is. So once we notice anything that will be of benefit to those that are supporting me, I'll bring it to limelight for you. Because I know you also support me. Let me now use this medium to also appeal to you. Please support us. We want to go and share food on Monday for Edo people. The common man here that don't have food. Please support us. 10,000, 10,000, 20, 50, anything. On Monday, we want to do it. Between now and Monday, God will supply your needs. According to Philippians 4:19. God will supply all your needs. And then you will touch us and say, Colin, send me your account number. Let me support that feeding of Edo people on Monday. God bless you so very much, all of you. Hawa Igareva, God bless you. Madam Good, why are you laughing? You too laugh today. Madam Good, just be happy today. What's happen? Don't be here you for laugh. I'll call you after this live video so that you laugh for me. That's my mother, Madam Good. Yeah. The number, I sent the number just now. Destiny, no sir. I dropped the number just now. I even video for you to see. So please call her. I've left her. Call her. She will talk to you, take your orders, tell you the amount. You walk towards it. As you enter your hand, you just pay. You don't see that movement for that month. You just free pay. That movement for feeding for them for that month. That one does stick a month, you know? And so it be. Wow, yeah, where's this? All of you are saying, yeah, where's the Madam Good? Where's this? How can I go? Cannot forget. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being out with me briefly. We're back to the office. We are back to the office. You know, so I'm glad that we went out together and we came. Please put on that. Let me touch that. Touch the wire. I think they put it off. We're back to the office. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for being with us this morning. Thank you for sharing our video. The boy for the kidney issue. Please, if you promise to support him, please support him. Let's get to see your promise. A lot of you said Friday. Today not Friday, some said Saturday. Please. The boy called me this morning and said, bros, I need 100,000. And I said, what do you need 100,000 for? Yeah. He said it's because they said I should come for dialysis tomorrow. So he's going for another dialysis tomorrow. He came back 2 days ago. You know his dialysis is every 4 days. That boy, so he said he's coming back tomorrow. He's going again. So I will send him 100,000 for what we have gathered for him just now. Yeah. So that let him go and do his own. God bless you, Doris Zion. God bless you. Yeah, so like I said, let's keep support coming in. That food sharing, we want to be a party to it. You want to partake in it to feed the Edo people in Nigeria. They need people you don't know. You just want to be part of that feeding of their process. God bless you. We are open. Yeah, our account number is on this comment section. Yeah, you can always reach us. Please, you can always support us. And let's do this on Monday. let's go around and do the needful. For you who are supported, God bless you. For you who's yet to support, God bless you. God will open your way between now and Sunday. You would support us. Our account number is just pinned to the session, so copy it out and then please support us. So just call me and tell me for that Monday feeding of Benin people. I'm sending this. We're not sharing the food for only Benin people. We are sharing it for human beings in Benin City. If you are Igbo, we meet you on the road. God bless you. If you are Yoruba, if you are outside, if you are any tribe, we don't want to know. So long as you reside in Benin, if we meet you when we are sharing that day, you have gotten your own. God bless you. So please support us and share this our video. We'll be live again tomorrow, perhaps. Yeah, and then we'll be with you all. So for those that were offended with our words, perhaps we didn't know when we said one or two, and you got offended, we are very sorry. For those that we didn't mean to use that word, but we don't know when we used it, we are very sorry. For those that were impressed with our choice of words, we are glad. Okay, so I appreciate all my WhatsApp group members. Thank you so much, all of you, for your constant support and your constant prayers. God bless you all. Thank you to Edo Diaspora Connect. I know you're still watching me now. Those that just left our office now on the courtesy visit. God bless you. Elijah Osage, good afternoon. You came to class late. Please share this video and let all of our guys watch it again later in the evening. God bless you so much. I love you all with the love of God. Thank you and bye for now. Please stay safe.
Abeg, help us share this video. And if you like to support Collins Imudia Foundation, a phone number dey this very video where you just watch. You fit call am anytime. Make you discuss with am how you go fit take support am. And if you like to add anything, join wetin you don't hear from Comrade Sterling Osaze Osakwunokwodin, go to comment section. Make you also put am for there. What do you think? And make you no forget, help us share this video. Thank you for watching Dan ARJ YouTube.